reply.
Yes, yes, sir.
Hopefully, मान लो that is
Yes, it's uploaded in the year.
upload again.
Yes.
जी.
You started. My lords, let them start on what basis. They must give an answer. Please do that. You've got to give the reply.
जी.
Let us understand the reply, sir.
Mr. Kekre.
Yes, sir.
अब इनने जो reply क्या दिया है, sir?
नहीं ठीक है ठीक है.
नहीं, reply में क्या दिया है, sir? Something very ridiculous. Return is now forming the basis of the reply here. A, B, what the learned single judge had said, the contentions are taken care of here. Number 3, the conduct symbol. When we filed this petition, what was the reply? What was the execution? How they were executing the order? And now what a U-turn by going back to the return of the writ petition. This is the reply.
Yes, Mr. Kekre, you are expected to reply on 2 issues.
My lord,
Firstly, denial of benefits of FR 22D and A, and secondly, timeline.
So far as
Because you have stated much about their entitlement on merits,
this.
which you have already accepted.
No. It just. So far as payment of para 16 of the written may be seen, my lord.
Yes.
The answering respondent most humbly submit that as stated here and above, the petitioners have होना चाहिए, has already granted.
No. That you have already decided.
Yes.
Now their anxiety was to shorten the time.
Because the finance department has not agreed to it, and it says
Second is denial of FR 22D and A.
D.
What is your take on that?
So far as this is one aspect because the finance department, because we are paying them.
No.
So far as the retired employees are concerned, they would be given in one full installment in December 2020.
It is on 22A and
Yes.
D.
So far as FR 22A1 and 22D is concerned, first of all, my lord may directly come to the rules which I have annexed. First of all, it is a better copy, my lord. We have this.
इसमें से बता दी
हाँ.
पढ़ने में आ रही.
The post of
Which page?
page number 21, 20.
20.
That is running the R2 of the return, my lord. Probably the paging.
Filed yesterday or
Yes.
earlier return.
Yesterday.
हाँ?
Yesterday.
कल वाले रिटर्न की बात कर रहे हैं.
जी.
हाँ, तो बताइए उसका कौन सा पेज है?
इसमें पेजिंग गलत कर दी है उसमें.
आपसे पेज नंबर पूछ रहे हैं.
पेजिंग गलत हुई है इसमें. R2 में आप
आप
पेज
तो,
नंबर 3 में आ जाइए सर. R2 में पेज नंबर 3 उसमें दैट इज पेज उसमें
उसमें क्या लिखा है ये बता दीजिए.
ये जो पोस्ट ऑफ प्रोफेसर थी इनिशियली इट वाज टू बी फिल्ड 100% बाय प्रमोशन, नॉट बाय. First time the quota was changed, 25% by direct recruitment and 75% by promotion.
When the quota was changed? When the quota was changed?
2015.
15. So prior to 2015, there used to be no direct professors.
Direct recruitment.
Prior to 2015, there was no promotion, or prior to 2015, there was no recruitment.
Prior to 2015, the quota of promotion was introduced and it was 20.
तो 2015 से पहले प्रमोशन नहीं होते थे.
वही तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि इन्होंने जो प्रमोशन किए, प्रमोशन करे, इन्होंने क्या किया कि दे वर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन द पोस्ट ऑफ असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर. अब प्रमोशन की पोस्ट थी नहीं, तो उन्होंने
प्रमोशन की पोस्ट अवेलेबल नहीं थी कि प्रमोशन चैनल नहीं था.
हाँ चैनल नहीं था.
चैनल
हाँ चैनल नहीं था. हाँ
मिस्टर केकरे जो असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर अपॉइंट होता था,
हाँ जी,
उसकी सेवा में जन्म असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर पे होता था और सेवा से मृत्यु में रिटायरमेंट भी असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर पे होती थी। वो कभी प्राचार्य नहीं बनता था।
यही वही तो मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ, इन्होंने इसमें क्या किया कि उसी पोस्ट को उन्होंने अपग्रेड कर दिया, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर की
मिस्टर
पोस्ट को।
केकरे, you cannot argue against your own orders and against the rules of the state. What you are arguing is totally contrary to what the rules say. You say prior to 2015 there was no promotion to professor.
My lord, to be very frank, this return I had prepared, but it went to approval and some.
Where you said in the affidavit, let's see. Affidavit में आपने कहाँ कहा है
क्या?
कि 2015 से पहले प्रमोशन नहीं होते थे प्रोफेसर्स?
नहीं, ये नहीं लिखा है इसमें।
आपने अभी आर्ग्यू तो वही किया।
नहीं, मैंने बताया कि मैंने तो
नहीं, आपने आर्ग्यू फिर कहाँ से किया, ये बताइए ना।
ये तो उन्होंने
ये तो उन्होंने कहा था कि आप ऐसी कोर्ट को बता देना,
नहीं, मैंने ऐसा
कोर्ट
नहीं।
झांसे में आ जाएगी तो ठीक है।
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी
और
नहीं।
क्या?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है।
तो आप बताइए, ये तो उन्होंने, आप बताइए ना रिटर्न में कहाँ है ये? आपने इतना राष्ट्रीय गवर्नमेंट लिया
जी,
कि 2015 से पहले कोई प्रमोशनल चैनल ही नहीं था, ये कहाँ लिखा है?
इसमें नहीं लिखा है।
इसमें नहीं लिखा तो आपने क्यों कहा?
नहीं, क्योंकि इनिशियली
मिस्टर केकरे, दैट्स ओवर, आई पास आउट। चलिए, we are not bound to hear government advocates who are misleading in this manner.
I am not missing.
No,
sir.
that's over. Mr. Kekre, it's over. Next page.
Obliged,
Argument sir, reserved for all.
obliged, my lords.
My lord, if my lord.
Mr. Kekre, sorry.
So,
If you would argue further, you will invite comments on you. Government advocate is bound to SST court, not to argue the case. And you are stating something which is contrary to pleading, contrary to rules, contrary to everything.
and contrary to the order passed by the learned single judge, an appeal has already been withdrawn. And they are reiterating and their conduct, once implementation is started, they're going back again, sir, and making it lower than the direct recruitees. This is what they're trying to do now.
If you have to say something, you give your submissions, written submissions.
Obliged, my lords.
I
Third,
tender,
reserved for orders. Parties are at liberty to submit their written submissions if they so like within 3 days.
I tender my apologies. May I make a request, my lord? As my lord had directed in the morning regarding the submission of again food slip for the 3 matters, my lord. I tender my apologies, my lord, but since it would not be accepted.
Please, so
Ma-
क्या हुआ कल की कोर्स में? नहीं, कल की कोर्स से अलाउ की थी 9 तारीख की। अब देख लीजिएगा 9 को लिस्ट हो रहा हो तो ठीक है, नहीं फिर इनको 9 के लिए कर देंगे। पुरानी कोर्स से 9 के लिए लिस्ट हो रहा हो तो ठीक है, नहीं तो इनको 9 के लिए।
Greatly obliged for my lord's magnanimity.
Lordship petitioner